Grada Mazo and Lecture July were disjoint set overlapping set. Disjoint two set A and B are called disjoint set if they have no common member. वो set में को number same हो जाए साल तो equal to 1 2 3 and B equal to 4 5 6 ने कोप member same ना है लेकिन के distance overlapping set. Two sets X and Y are called overlapping set if they have at least one common member and none of them is a subset of the other set. वो set जैमें हिकिड़ो नंबर से मुझे उनके overlapping करणु सावधान. 1 2 3 B equal to 3 4 5 इनमें 3 सेम इनके overlapping set है.